Welcome to YesBot. Today we are going to see about the morphology of vegetative organs, stem. This is part 2. In the part 1, we have discussed about the stem, its characteristics and its function. This is continuation of the part 1, part 2. In this video, we will see about the different modifications of the stem. Stem, it shows 3 types of modification. First is underground, subaerial and aerial. In underground, it has different modifications like the rhizome, bulb, corm and tuber. And the subaerial modification of the stems are runner, sucker, stolon and offset. And the aerial modifications of the stems are tendrils, thorns, phylloclad, cladode and the bulbils. We will see in detail these different types of the modification. First, about the underground modification of this. Underground modification of the stem means the stem which is under the soil surface and it has different modifications to perform different functions. According to that, first type, that is the rhizome. It is the horizontal underground part of the main stem and it is thick, short, branched with the nodes and internodes. We have seen that the stem has the nodes and internodes. Here it is swollen. The nodes have the adventitious roots. Nodes has the adventitious roots on the lower side and the buds in the axils of the scaly leaves. And it helps in the storage of the food and vegetative propagation. Examples of the rhizomes are the ginger, turmeric, cannas, lotus, asparagus and sympodial orchids. Next type of the underground modification is the bulbs. It is a highly condensed and discoid underground stem. It is discoid underground stem and it is terminal bud and mainly it has the many fleshy scale leaves. Cluster of the adventitious roots are at the base of this part. And it may be tunicated or the scaly. In case of tunicated, it is covered by the dry scale leaves like in the onion and garlic. And in the scaly type, it is without any tunica. Example is the lily. Third underground modification is the corm. Here it is spherically stout and fleshy. Underground stem. It is almost spherical. It is underground stem. It is unbranched. It doesn't have the branches and it grows vertically. And it contains the stored food. Examples of the corms are the colocasia, crocus and gladiolus. This is the corm. The fourth type of the underground modification is the tuber. It is a swollen tip of the lateral stem and it has the many depressions. These are the eyes. Each eye represents a node bearing one or more buds subtended by a leaf scar and it helps in the vegetative propagation. The adventitious roots are absent from the tuber. Examples are the potato, cypress species and the artichoke. Second type of the modification is the subaerial modification of the stem. Subaerial means the stem it is just on the surface or below the soil surface. Runner is the first type of this subaerial modification. It is creeping horizontal green stem on the soil surface and it has the longer internodes and the node bears the axillary bud, scale leaves and the adventitious roots towards the soil surface. Arises from the axillary bud of the mother plant and it spreads in all directions. Examples of the runners are the oxalis, centella and cynodon. Next is the sucker. It is arising from the basal underground part of the main stem. In the runner, it was the aerial part just above the soil surface, but here the sucker it is below the soil surface. It grows horizontally below the soil surface and then emerges obliquely towards the air and it produces new plant. Examples are this chrysanthemum, banana, mint and bamboo. Third type of the subaerial modification is the stolon. It is a slender lateral branch arising from the main stem. Primarily, the stolon shows upward growth, but when it bends and touches the ground, the terminal bud, it grows new branch aerially and the roots are produced towards the soil. Examples of the stolon are the strawberry, colocasia and vallisnerie. And next type is the offset. It is generally seen in the aquatic plants. It originates from the leaf axils of the rosette plants. There are one internode long length of the offset. It helps in the vegetative propagation. Examples are the Pistia, Eichhornia and the houseleek. Now the aerial modification of the stem. First is the tendrils. It is thread-like leafless green structure meant for the climbing. It is generally seen in the climbers. It has the adhesive gland for fixation. And the position of the tendril, it may vary in the different species. It may be axillary or the terminal. Examples of the plants with the tendrils type of the stem is the Passiflora, cucurbita and grapevine. Next type of the aerial modification is the thorns. It is modification of the apical or the axillary bud and it is hard, pointed and mostly the straight structure. It provides protection by reducing the transpiration. Examples of the plants with the thorns are the citrus, duranta and bougainvillea. Third type of the aerial modification is the phylloclade. It is thick, fleshy and succulent branch of the unlimited growth. It has the nodes and internodes and the leaves are generally modified into the spines and the main stem, that is phylloclade, it performs the photosynthesis. Examples are the Opuntia, Euphorbia and Casuarina. Fourth type of the aerial modification is the cladodes. It is a leaf-like green branch of the limited growth. The phylloclade, it was the unlimited growth, but the cladode, it is of the limited growth. It may be 1 to 2 internode long and the true leaves are reduced to the spines or the scales. It also performs the photosynthesis. Examples are the asparagus and the ruscus. Fifth type of the aerial modification is the bulbil. In some plants, the axillary bud becomes fleshy and it gets rounded structure for the storage of the food. Example is the bulbil. When it falls off, it produces new plant and help in the vegetative propagation. Examples of the plants showing the bulbils are the agave and the Dioscorea. So this is about the types of the stem modifications. We have seen about the aerial modification, subaerial modification, the underground modification. Thank you.